most common problem of W212 and other Mercedes Mercedes cars. In internet, people are telling that we have to change whole dashboard or we have to get the new glove box. But I got a solution that instead of changing the whole lock, and because the people why they are telling to change the whole glove boxes, it is plastic rivets and it is concealed one. The best alternative solution is getting this one. This I got in local store in Mumbai. This part we have to break this rod, and this part will go inside in this small gap. With that it will be opened. Okay, let me proceed with changing this. And the lock thing, you have to change it by pushing in this middle part. The lock will come out. With that you can change the lock, this thing. But my issue is I bought the wrong color, but for me it's fine. Wrong color doesn't mean much for me, so I am going with this color. Okay. My issue is I got this color. That is an issue. Now, can you see this? That little steel part went inside that gap, and now it's working.